Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to fly the Sg907 Max. Okay, first of all, you need to turn on the drone and make sure the propellers are spread out. Okay, just like this. Spread it out so it won't hit each other. Okay, so turn it on. After the tone, turn on your remote controller. Okay, and we're bound. Okay, now you need to calibrate the compass by pressing here, long press, and you can see the lights are blinking. Okay, turn it clockwise and wait for the beep. Next, turn it downward. Okay, wait. Okay, as you can see, all lights are solid. Means we have calibrated successfully the compass. Next, you need to calibrate the gyro. So long press the speed button. Okay, as you can see, it's blinking. After that, it's done. Okay, very good. Now you have to turn on, you have to connect the app, and the app is this one, XIL. And also, I forgot to connect to the Wi-Fi. You should connect this through the Wi-Fi. And it says XL Max 5G containing IP address not connected. Okay, so we're connected, and make sure the GPS on your phone are enabled. Okay. Okay, let's check the settings. Record on, stabilization on, and 4K correction. Okay, setup complete. Start play. Okay, and let's see the map. Okay, we have a connection, and now make sure the batteries and the satellites, you have obtained the satellites for 14. That's okay, and the battery reading is fluctuating, so let's wait just to make sure we are good to go. Okay, so it seems everything is okay, so let's fly. It's a bit windy today, so no toilet bowl, so we're good to go. Okay, and it's fighting the wind. Just make sure you have the sufficient sufficient satellite, and the readout are precise, like the height and distance, the batteries, and the connections. So we're good. And this star star icon indicates if there's interference. So it's green, so it means it's good. Just always take note of that star. If it turns red, you better bring it down or bring home back. Bring it home. Bring it back home. So the battery, you should return to home when it's 50% for safety, to avoid the flyaways or anything that something might fail. So that's it. And also always look for the satellites that you acquired. So right now we have 19, and that's it. Always check your battery levels, both the controller and the drone here. If you lose line of sight and video feed, always look at your telemetry on the remote just to be safe. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for more info and tips. Okay, hit like and subscribe. Thank you. And also the optical flow is not working when it's on GPS mode. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything unless if you turn off the GPS, the optical flow will be activated. Okay, we're on I think it's on 13-minute. Okay, I raise it up and put a little bit further, 22 meters distance and the height of 15 meters, and it's running low on battery, 1/4 power. So let's wait. Let's wait. Still holding its position. With a gust of wind. Okay. Still not returning to home. Maybe it's because it's near on 14 volts. Low power alarm on the display. I don't know what will happen. Seven volts. It's still not returning to home. I have a bad feeling about this. It will just I think it will just land itself on that position. Alright, it's just a hunch, but oh, it's returning. It's returning home. Well, that's good. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. It's falling. Bam. Okay. Here it is. So next time, don't let it happen to you running on low battery like 7 volts. So nothing much damage. The gimbal seems okay. Okay. I guess it will run again. We'll just replace the battery and try it once more. Okay. Okay. The propellers has some scratches here and there, and I guess there's a stone on the motor. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's make sure there's no more stone. Let's put it down. Oh, okay. Let's turn off the GPS. Okay. Let's try to arm the motors. Okay, seems working. yan sa atin.